Should I take out that guy in that wheelchair?
Yeah. I'm never happy. I'm always on a hot seat at home, so my seat's warm.
Should I just run him over? Or?
Just knock the camera out of his hand.
Oh. What do you think? It don't seem that high, does it?
Yeah. I'm never happy.
Bet he didn't have this in the Navy, huh?
No,
Could have hauled
I don't
people.
remember of it.
No, could have hauled people back and forth with this.
This isn't bad.
No, this ride's good. I like this.
Yeah.
I could handle this truck.
Yeah.
Betting it's a Ford, you know.
If I came home with a Ford, my wife would probably shoot me. But you know something? I don't really care.
Should we take her over to Wal-Mart and get our tires rotated? See what they think of her? Should I take out that guy in that wheelchair?
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm looking for somebody to rotate some tires on my truck. But I think, well, I didn't, but I think you should have somebody look at it to make sure we can do
You
it.
gotta check in out at the fence though?
No,
The door
there's
for you.
nobody out there. Well,
Let me get the door.
okay. Well, maybe they should look at the truck. I don't know if I can get in the door.
Yeah. Give me just 1 second here.
All right.
So I talked to my manager, unfortunately.
Well, just tell them I'm looking for a alignment. I don't know if you can do it.
What was that?
Can you do it on that truck out there?
Do
Alignment?
alignment? We don't do alignments here.
A tire rotation? Can you do it on that truck out there?
So how lifted the vehicle is, we don't have the proper equipment to lift the vehicle like that.
Well, no business for Wal-Mart today. I guess not everybody can handle a lifted truck. So here we go. We'll find out the next place. Well, should we stop and get some fuel?
Yeah, we can do that.
I guess I forgot there was a Kwiktrip Run.
The only time I remember it's here is when I gotta pee. Like right now.
No, who's your grandson? Jared?
Yeah.
Jared's your grandson?
Yeah.
Jared's my best friend.
This is pretty sharp. I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, custom grill.
Yeah, that's
So that's
pretty
the
sharp.
foundation that we're actually donating all the money to.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so they
Warrior built?
whenever like veterans come out of the military,
Sure.
and they're wounded, amputees, all sorts of stuff, they actually help them get back into everyday life.
Okay.
And they actually take them out for like motorcycle. They like
Yeah,
build motorcycles
sure.
with them.
Okay.
Boxing classes.
Wow.
You know, with their like prosthetic arms and legs. They even have Warrior Built has like a company like 67 Beetle that they actually take like.
Oh,
desert
I've heard of
racing.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, it's super cool. So
Okay.
just a
Wow.
super cool company.
That's
Obviously,
cool.
like custom offsets, we love giving back to like first responders, military,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
people that really do the hard stuff that a lot of
Yeah.
people can't.
That's why I'm here. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here.
Yeah, yeah.
I know you
absolutely.
guys do.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's sneak right in here. You always gotta mess with everything.
Yeah.
How to jump down and have a cigarette while I'm waiting. Could say everything sucks at Kwiktrip.
What? You don't like Kwiktrip?
Oh man, I love the quick trips. I do too.
I go out of my way to come here.
I go in there all the time. Run
I
my
go to
card, tell 'em I
Speedway.
should be a stockholder by now.
Yeah.
Ready for you guys.
Okay, if you think so. You ain't ready for me though.
Yeah, I just want to thank Custom Offsets for the great time we had letting us use their truck. You know, and if you guys need some wheels, tires, suspension, Custom Offsets. Right, Don?
Yeah. Right. That's the place to go.